In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create links between notes in Obsidian. If you're new to Obsidian, linking notes is the secret to building a connected knowledge base. We'll keep it simple and walk through creating a place to store your notes, making a new note, and then adding an internal link using Obsidian's double bracket syntax. Start by opening Obsidian and making sure you're in the vault where you want your notes to live. A vault is just a folder on your computer that Obsidian uses to store your notes. Keeping everything in the right vault helps you avoid broken links later. Next, create a new folder. You'll find this option in the File Explorer on the left. A dedicated folder isn't strictly required, but it's a helpful way to keep related notes together and makes your links easier to manage as your collection grows. Use a clear, consistent naming approach so you can recognize notes at a glance. Now, create a new note inside that folder. The title you give this note matters because Obsidian's links are based on note titles. Descriptive, concise titles make linking faster and cut down on duplicates. Once your note is open, you're ready to add a link. To create a link in Obsidian, type 2 opening square brackets followed by 2 closing square brackets like this. Double bracket at the start and double bracket at the end. This is called wiki link syntax. It tells Obsidian that whatever you type between the brackets should link to another note. Inside those brackets, type the title of the note you want to link. As you type, Obsidian will show suggestions that match existing notes in your vault. Pick one of those to link to an existing note, or finish typing a new title if the note doesn't exist yet. If it's new, Obsidian treats it as a future note and will be ready to create it when you choose to open that link later. Either way, you've now connected your ideas with a simple, readable link. A few quick tips as you work. Keep your titles consistent so links remain clean and predictable. Avoid unnecessary punctuation in titles to prevent confusion. If you notice similar titles, consider standardizing them so you don't accidentally create near duplicate links. And remember, links update automatically when you rename notes through Obsidian, which helps maintain the integrity of your connections over time. That's all there is to it. Open Obsidian, make a folder if you want organization, create a new note, type double brackets, and place the note title inside. You've just built a meaningful connection between ideas with only a few keystrokes.